my junk better than his. Look. Come on, gang. You know that junk better, bro. Yo, what is good, YouTube? We is back, man. I know it's been a little minute. First, I want to start by saying the bumper was supposed to come in, bro, but that was my second time ordering the bumper, and they say the same thing. That both times, I think either my package got stolen or somebody at the at the FedEx place is, you know, it's just robbing my junk, bro. I'm gonna just give y'all a little POV. Nothing crazy. But yeah, and yeah, let's get into the video, man. Hey, let me know down below what else I should do to my car. Like, what's next? Just give me an idea, something to add. I know I'm gonna probably get a new steering wheel for sure. That might be my next buy. I'm gonna get the M Sport steering wheel to replace this, and then yeah. We gotta start dropping more, bro. That's the goal. We closing in on 800. We at 793 subscribers right now. We closing in on 800. Let's hit that 800. Let's hit that 800. Let's hit that 800 subscribers for me. Yo, like, look at this game. Yo, I just wanted to show y'all what it says. Like, this is what it says for me. Like, both times my package got stolen, bruh. Both times. Same spot, bro. I don't really know. I tried to get the sport bumper, but sometimes, bro, when you can't get something after a couple tries, bro, you gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. I would buy another one, but I'm thinking like, nah. I'm thinking of just like, just save bread, bro. Do something else. I know every like BMW build, they got the M Sport bumper and everything, so I just want to like change it up for the one time. Might as well. See, I was gonna get it, but bruh, they lost my package twice in the mail, bro. Like, what are we doing? He want to get on the cam. Oh my God. Ooh, we hit some crazy bump. Oh my God. Yo, the thing is, bro, the thing about here, bro, back at school, bro, these, like, the road is so buns. It's just like, bro, it'll be like a crater that'll send you off the ground, bro. Like, what was that? What was that, bro? I went airborne. Let's go, let's go. I ain't never been down this way. Let's do it. Ain't never been down this way. Probably do a little pull right here. my camera died. No, it didn't die, but it overheated, bro. Had to take it off my head. Lucky I don't have my GoPro on. See, that's what I'm saying. When something happens to my GoPro, bro, like, it'd be perfect. You know my Joan better than his. Look. Come on, gang. You know that Joan better, bro. Dang, he's gone. Alright, YouTube. If y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna probably have a cutting up video for y'all, bro. Either the next video or the one after that. I'm gonna have a cutting up video, you know what I'm saying? If y'all like this video, make sure y'all subscribe, bro. Hit that like button, bro. Let's get 800 subs and then 1K. We out.